Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to dry flowers without silica gel, updated. Press fresh petals flat between clean paper and heavy books in a dry spot, and change paper if it absorbs moisture. Keep flowers out of direct sun to prevent color loss, and be patient for 1 to 2 weeks depending on thickness. This gentle method preserves shape and color while using everyday household items you already have. Air drying is another simple approach that complements pressing methods and works great for many blooms. Tie small bunches gently and hang them upside down in a warm, ventilated room. A low fan or dehumidifier helps remove moisture without heat stress. Rotate bundles occasionally to ensure even drying and avoid mold. This technique keeps natural petal shape and works well for roses, lavender, and wildflowers you want to preserve upright. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like for more easy floral tips. Quick recommendation: grab Little Tree's black ice to keep your car smelling fresh after trips to the florist or garden. It pairs nicely with happy memories of blooms. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want one. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. For a quick turnaround, try a microwave towel method for small batches of petals and small blooms. Sandwich petals between paper towels and microwaving in short 10 to 20-second bursts prevents overheating while speeding moisture removal. Always check and adjust timing based on flower thickness, and allow cooled petals to stabilize on a flat surface before arranging. This fast option is handy for craft projects and last-minute decor needs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.